The 5x5 drill is a popular shooting drill that is designed to improve your speed and accuracy when shooting at close range. Here's how it works. Set up a target at a distance of 5 yards. Using a handgun or a rifle, shoot 5 rounds at the target as quickly as possible while maintaining accuracy. Record your time and score, i.e., how many rounds hit the target, for that round. Repeat the drill for a total of 5 rounds, recording your time and score for each round. At the end of the drill, calculate your total time and score. The goal of the 5x5 drill is to complete each round as quickly as possible while maintaining accuracy. This means you want to aim for the center of the target and try to hit the bullseye with each shot, but you also want to shoot as quickly as possible. This drill is great for improving your shooting skills in a variety of ways. It can help you improve your accuracy by forcing you to aim for the same spot each time, and it can help you improve your speed by encouraging you to shoot quickly and efficiently. By completing this drill regularly, you can track your progress and see how your accuracy and speed improve over time. Additionally, you can modify the drill to make it more challenging by increasing the distance or adding a time limit. Overall, the 5x5 drill is an excellent way to develop your shooting skills and build confidence in your ability to shoot quickly and accurately.